Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to remove shortcut arrows from desktop icons on your Windows 10 PC. So let's get started. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Now type Regedit and press Enter to open the Registry Editor. If prompted, click Yes to allow access. Next, navigate to this path. HKU created local machine and select Software, and click Microsoft, select Windows, select Current Version, and then select Explorer. Now, right-click on Explorer, select New and click Key, and name it Shell Icons if it doesn't already exist. Inside the Shell Icons folder, right-click on the right side, select New, and click on String Value, and name it 29. Double-click on it and set the value to %windor %.system32 shell32.dll -50. Click OK and close the Registry Editor. Finally, restart your PC or restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager to apply the changes. That's it. The shortcut arrows will now be removed from your desktop icons.